Hi, good morning. Welcome back to English classroom. Oh, my dear kids, I hope all of you are fine. So, in the last class, we completed the activities of the lesson, the puppet show. And I told you to do the activities from home. I hope all of you have done it. So, my dear kids, all of you look at the board. What can you see here? Who is this? Tell me. Yes, a rabbit. What is in his hand? A carrot. So we can see a beautiful rabbit. So today we are going to know a poem about rabbit. The name of our poem is The Rabbit's Nose. So shall we move on? The rabbit's nose. So here there is a rabbit. Also a rabbit has arrived here. Do you want to see another rabbit? Okay, I'll show you. All of you look here. You can see a cute rabbit here in my hands. See the ears. See the nose and eyes of the rabbit. Did you like this rabbit? Okay, so let us read the poem about the rabbit's nose. Nobody knows the rabbit's nose, the way it twitches, the way it goes. Nobody knows the rabbit's ears, the way it listens, the way it hears. Nobody knows the rabbit's toes, the way they hop the heights, the way they bounce the lows. Nobody knows the rabbit's eyes, the way they look, the way they despise. So my dear kids, we read a poem about a cute little rabbit. Have you seen rabbits? Yes. In which all colors did you see rabbit? Only in white color? No, yes. In black color. Also brown, gray. Yes. So rabbits are seen in different colors. And can you tell me which is the favorite food of rabbit? Yes, you can see here. What is this? Carrot. Rabbit likes carrot most. So in our poem, what is told about rabbits? I will recite it once more. Nobody knows the rabbit's nose, the way it twitches, the way it goes. Twitches means the small sudden movement of a rabbit. Suddenly it will move here and there. So nobody knows the rabbit's sudden movement. Nobody knows the rabbit's ears, the way it listens, the way it hears. Also, the poet is telling that nobody knows about rabbit's ears, the way it listens, the way it hears. Nobody knows the rabbit's eyes, the way they look, the way they despise. Also, it is telling that nobody knows the rabbit's toes, the way they hop the highs. Nobody knows about rabbit's toe. This is toes. Okay. The way they hop. Hop means jump. Jump the highs. The way they bounce the lows. Bounce means to jump up and down. Nobody knows a rabbit's eyes. The way they look. The way they despise. Last the poet is telling, nobody knows about rabbit's eyes. The way they look, the way they despise means looking in a dislike way. So here the poet has wonderfully described about a cute rabbit, the way it listens, the way it moves, the way it watch things. So, did you like this poem? Okay. So, all of you should read the poem many times. Will you read it? Now, here in page number 17, you can see the picture of a beautiful rabbit. Look here. So, you can color this rabbit. Color it beautifully. And also give a name to this rabbit. You can write the name here. You can see a space here. So, you can color this rabbit and give a name to this rabbit. You have to send that to your teacher. So we finished the poem about rabbit. Also an activity I gave you to do. Next, let us move to the worksheet area. You can see in page number 18, worksheet. So I will help you. Completely I won't help you. I will help you to do 1 or 2 questions. Okay, are you ready? So here you can see worksheet. Based on the lesson, a visit to the zoo. Here you can see many words are given. They all are nouns. So you know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. So these all are nouns. Here you can see 6 sentences and some areas are left over. We have to fill these blanks by selecting correct noun from the box above. I will read the words here. Puppy, monkey, banana, books, library, cake, bowl, toy, sofa, newspaper, baker, baby. So you can see some pictures here. So by looking at the picture, you have to identify which is the correct noun. So shall we do first one? Raghu is sitting on a dash, reading a dash. So here you can see a person named Raghu. So what is he doing? He is sitting on a, where is he sitting? Yes, you know the answers are here in this box. Can you tell me? Yes. Puppy, monkey, banana, books, library, cake, bowl, toy, sofa, newspaper, baker, baby. Which is the correct answer? Yes, very good. The answer is sofa. Raghu is sitting on a sofa reading a, what is he reading? Yes, a newspaper. So we got two answers. First one, Raghu is sitting on a sofa reading a newspaper. So all of you can write the answer here. So there are remaining some more questions. So all of you should look at the picture. You should understand the picture. After that, look in this box and write the correct answer. Will you do that? Good. Now next B. Choose whether the given word is a common noun or a proper noun. Put a tick in front of the correct option. So here again you can see many questions. 6 questions are here. So what you have to do? You have to say whether these words are common nouns or proper noun. So I have taught you in the last class common noun. What is a common noun? What is a proper noun? So you have to identify whether this word is common noun or proper noun and put a tick word in the small boxes. So I will show that chart once more. Here we studied common nouns and proper nouns. The general name of a person, place, animal or thing is a common noun, and the specific name of a person, place, animal or thing is a proper noun. This is all I have taught in the last class. So by looking at these words, you have to do the correct one. So we can see the first question. Sushma plays with her friends. So Sushma, is she a common noun or proper noun? Can you tell me? Yes, Sushma is a proper noun. That is a special name. So we can tick here, proper noun. Put a tick over here. Okay. Next, friends. Is this word common noun or proper noun? Tell me. Friends means common. We all have many friends, right? So friends means common. So here you have to put a tick. So my dears, remaining there are 5 more questions for you. You have to read each word, identify whether that is common noun or that is a proper noun. So I hope all of you will do that activity. You have to do it and you have to send to your teacher. So it's time to wind up our class. We can meet in the next class. By then, bye bye.